Just come to our shows. We're playing in your town. We're in your backyard right now. Just go look outside. There we are. Go! Hand us the money, and then we'll leave. Well, my name is Carrot Top. I'm the lead vegetable of the band. Over here we got, I was gonna let you introduce yourself.
Oh, me?
Yeah.
A bird brain?
Yeah.
Oh, another one. We got one more.
He's Franken Chicken.
Oh my.
We got some shows coming up. Yes, we are going to have a new album eventually. Can't say that much about it, but it'll be pretty cool. And it's not going to catch my breath.
Probably the best way to find out about what's coming up is go to our website, radioactivechickens.com.
RadioactiveChickenHeads.com.
Radioactivechickenheads.com. Radioactive
Chapstick.
Chicken.
Just type Radioactive Chicken Heads into Google. You
Yeah,
don't need to do all that.
Just go to Facebook.
Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Give us all your money.
Nice.
So we can buy some music lessons or something.
Or buy some new stuff, because I think they're stealing our
Oh
stuff.
crap, we gotta get out of here.
Okay, let's go. Everybody, go. Go.
Run!
There they go. El Diablo, where are you going? Oh, goodness.
All right, this interview ends right now.
All right.
Ah.